anaanza kusikia like when you're up and then like I had tucked in my bed, nimeka neti vizuri, so when the mosquito net will cover my bed very well, so like I feel like somebody is like removing it, and then hi guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, please do subscribe, like, share and comment down below, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you so much for coming back and subscribing and watching my channel and supporting me and commenting and telling me. I do reply and I do like all the comments. Okay. So I'm going to be telling you guys a story of something that happened to me when I was in primary school. First of all, I will start with saying that I was in boarding school in my primary life. And when I went to primary, so when you're in boarding school, you have boarders like you, and all of you do sleep in the same dormitory, okay? So there was this time, it was night, and like I don't want to sleep early that day, so I was reading my Pulse magazine, because like I didn't want like to disturb my classes the next day as I was going to class. So like I wanted to read it at night. So I was reading the magazine at night. And then, so my side beddy from Itanga bedmate, like side beddy, somebody who sleeps like sideways, you sleep here and the person sleeps here. So like your beds are kind of the same place. So like side beddy. So so this girl sleeping there and me, I am here. So like I felt her like she was like moving. So I told myself, let me check if she's like okay. So unajua ile impulse like unapenduka tu kuangalia mtu kama like vile amependuka, because like everybody is sleeping in the dormitory and then you're the only one who's like awake with the pulse, and then like the girl is moving. So like nikaamua, let me check. So when I check the girl, and I find her like looking at me like this. Nataka chai. Now it is in the middle of the night. Where will I get tea from? Natoa pi chai. Where will I get tea from? And then this guy's like, look at me. And it's at night. So I was scared. I was scared to death. Hey! I was scared to death, let me tell you. So when this girl is looking at me like this, I want tea. So nilikuwa nalala juu, so it was a bunker bed, so I was sleeping on the top and my bankmate was sleeping down there. So nikatoka juu, I went down. So when I am at my bedmate bed, and like I'm telling her, she was called Bright, so like I'm telling her, Bright, come, like, and then okay, maybe I should tell. Let me just adjust the names. I don't see the reason as to why. So the girl was called Chelsea. So like I was telling her, Bright, amka. Chelsea. So Bright is telling me, Miriam, when somebody's sleeping and then you're like disturbing the person. So Bright was like acting the same. Okay, the person will do that if not. So like when I'm there waking up Bright to like anisongee tulali hapo, sasa anaanza kusikia like when you're up and then like I had tucked in my bed, nimeka neti vizuri, so when the mosquito net will cover my bed very well, so like I feel like somebody is like removing it, and then now Chelsea was calling my name and was trying to what is this, like pulling up the mattress so that like she can look down, so no. And then like maybe I thought she's awake. So itika, like she was calling Miriam. So mimi nikafanya nini? Itikia. Do you know what she told me? She told me, mbona unanichapa? I mean, niko kwa tena Bright. Nimemchapa saa ngapi? Nakwambia I was scared to death. So nikajua she knows I am there, hence I am going to be killed. I thought like I'm dying. So I'm like telling, and then like after Chelsea telling me like nini mbona namchapa, she's now calling another friend of mine called Vivian, like Vivian saki mchezo wako nakuchapa. Me I'm like, why is somebody saying that? So mimi nimejua kwa anajua niko wapi, kwa Bright. Nikaamua ni move. So nikatoka kwa Bright, nikaenda huko kando to a girl named Sharon. So me I am there telling Sharon tafadhali nisongee tu, because mimi nikirudi kwa I'm going to die. Nikirudi kulala huko kwa Chelsea, ndafanya nini? I will die. Sharon, I in fact even told Sharon, I will do anything you want. That is how scared I was. Hey, let me tell my milk. So the story continues. So in the morning, when morning came, now I am telling like people the way Chelsea alinishtua and all that. Now Bright is telling me, ingekuwa ni mimi nampiga tu kofi anaamka. Kind of people do say that. To me nampiga tu kofi anaamka, because like the girl was sleep talking, alikuwa amelala, so like she was sleep talking. Bright ameshaniambia ni fanya nini? Piga kofi. Itakuja baadaye, like we will see the coffee. So I tell Chelsea, and then like she's just laughing and all that. So me, I'm like, well, she should not be laughing about it. How on earth do you just talk and telling people atakajai? So siku ikafika. Me I thought like it's not like Misha. Me and my habit kusoma pulse usiku. So that day I'm with Bright on my bed. Sasa wote tulikuwa kwa bed yangu. Sasa Bright analala chini, so we're on the same bed, tuko wote juu kwangu. And then like I felt Chelsea moving. So I told Bright, ebu check Chelsea, angalia Chelsea kama ameamka ama asije akatuamkia tukiwa hapa. You know what? I just felt like Bright suddenly kept quiet. Yani alinyamaza. Nasikia tu mtu anashuka kitanda. Pole. Ika hit kwa kichwa yangu. Chelsea amefanya nini? Ameamuka. Asa nini? Remember the previous night vile ilitendeka, so nilitoka kwa kitanda juu nikaenda chini, and Chelsea did not get out of the bed, you know. So like I knew even today it's okay. Wapi? Nakwambia aliteremka kitanda, like she came down from the bed and like she now started chasing us. And me, so I am where Sharon is sleeping, and I felt like there's a friend of mine called Angela, a very good bestie by the way. So this Angela was like, she was still not sleeping, so I heard like Angela and Bright talking. So like Angela was asking Bright, mbona unakimbia hivyo, mbona unafanya? So mimi nikajua nini, wako wapi kwa Angela, mimi huyo mpaka kwa nakwambia. I even wonder till date, I wonder how that bed was able to accommodate us. Nakwambia, you know the way somebody dives blanket, mimi huyo najifunika. And then I'm like, and then tukiwa hapo, so like, you know, Chelsea is like walking around trying to find us. So Bright is laughing. Have you ever seen somebody who laughs like when they are scared? Like when she's like, and I'm telling her, Bright, Bright nani? She was telling me like I can't. So I ended up nimemshika mdomo, and now sisi mimi ndo nani? Nimecover blanket. I even like wonder, ni vile matasi Angela ilikuwa kubwa. That's why. Yani I literally dived. Yani niruka na kujifunika. I even wondered how atukuumia na tulitosha si wote watatu. Imagine. Still to date. Nanisumbuka kichwa. And then, so like when we were there, Chelsea's trying to find us. And then we heard her say, Nini, ningewapata. How do you just say that? Is that normal? And then Cesar, you kind of come here and Bright the next day. So I'm asking Bright, kofi yako ilienda wapi? Well, remember Bright told us that, ampiga tu kofi of nini? Ameamka. She was the first to run and she didn't even tell me. Just unaona tu mtu anashuka tu kitanda pole pole. And she was trying to make me Chelsea is awake. If people should tell me like what your experience with somebody who sleepwalks and sleep talks. You know, me literally remember that Conjuring movie. Somebody's just banging their head on the wardrobe. Somebody just hey, and from that day I have always been scared of people who like sleepwalk. Like there was this time when I was in high school. So naingia TV into the houses, like into the dormitories, into the cube. So like on my path, like just entering to the door, a girl comes from kutoka kwa kona anakimbia tu mbio kuja simama kwangu. And then she's like telling me, and then me, I'm like, you know, she's like facing me, ako hapa, ananiambia, mimi huyu, like me naangalia huko, and she's like looking at me. She's telling me, I'm like, wow, mbona? So I'm like, ready to run. I was so scared. How do you just enter into the house and then someone just runs to you and then is telling you, that is Mashitari and you're in high school? I was so scared. Me, my experience, share your experience and tell me, because you tell me if you are me or if you're Brad. Like, tell me, what would you do? Would you like tell me, oh, we got to go. What would you like? Would you run like us or something? You know? Tell me also if you've experienced somebody who sleepwalks and sleep talks at the same time, that is dangerous. Me also like that was much time. Me also like I was so scared by the way that day. I've never been so scared. That was my story today. So tune in for more stories and more videos and more entertainment. Something hot is coming up. And yeah, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you so much and continue to share, like, and comment down below.